What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Business Everyday. Today's project is we are going to be working on creating catch-alls. Now, this particular catch-all I designed after seeing a couple of different pictures off of Pinterest and Etsy, and then I came up with my own design that has some similarities to the ones that are out there, but a few of my own features. This particular catch-all is made out of walnut, and today I'm going to show you how I made this on the Xcarve CNC. So what we got here is a scrap piece of 3/4 inch walnut, and we are going to try and create a duplicate catch-all for Post-it notes. Now, this particular piece I actually used to make a few other catch-alls, but I found it in the scrap bin, and so we're going to try and make something beautiful out of it. Here is what we are going to try and create. It is a walnut catch-all, perfect for the Post-it notes, just like that. It's got the thumb hole so that you can pull out your notes just as needed, and then just to spruce it up, I added a little bit of padded felt to the back so that it just is a little bit nicer. So we're going to try and duplicate this. This one was a prototype, and so now we're going to hone in our settings to try and figure out if we can actually produce this item as a marketable product. For this attempt, we are going to be using the 1/8 inch easel dual flute downcut bit. This is one that actually comes with the Xcarve, and I used a different bit last time, but we're going to give this one a go and see our results. The cut settings that I found most optimal for this particular catch-all is a 120 feed, a 36 plunge, and at a 1/10 depth pass. And the result actually worked out pretty good. Today we're going to use boiled linseed oil because I think it's just a fantastic protective sealer, also finish, and it's easy to apply, and it just dries pretty much instantly, and it just works. Well, there you have it, another project in the books. Altogether, this project took somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes to complete. It's not a very difficult project. There's the Xcarve, there's a little bit of sanding, and then you're ready for finish. The project could get a little more complicated if you add the felt or don't add the felt, but altogether, it's a fairly simple project. I'm going to run some numbers and see if it's actually viable to have as a product to sell. I could probably create 4, 5, maybe even 6 of these if I refine my manufacturing process just a little bit, but it is an item that will actually sell online somewhere between $25 and $35 per unit. At least that's the going rate for a walnut catch-all for Post-it notes, and so there's the great potential for some margin there. I will keep you all posted on what this product ends up being, maybe some variant or something bigger or something a little smaller, but for right now, we're going to start with the Post-it notes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all stay safe, have fun, keep carving, and I will catch you next time.